The other day, I keep an eye on all my systems down here virtually, and so I make sure that mini split's working. I can tell that because of the temperature. Between the solar system and the Victron, I can keep an eye on the solar system itself and stuff. One thing I haven't been able to do yet is get either set of batteries into either solar assistant or Victron where I can keep up with the actual cells. But I was down here the other day, and this new battery that I put together, which was doing fine, everything looked fine, but I noticed when I went to cell voltage, number 13 or 14, one of them was showing 0 volts. The battery pack voltage was the same as the rest of them. The cell voltages were the same as the cell voltage on the battery below and in the EG4s. There was no over voltage, anything. So I was concerned about that, but would not be able to be down here very much for a few days. So I just turned off the BMS, turned off the battery, and this is the first time I'm back. The battery is not currently connected. I've got the breaker off. Just turn the BMS on and it looks fine. So I'm going to turn on and connect it to the rest of the pack. Watch the current. It's a 200 amp BMS. It's only showing 9 amps going into the battery. I got 5 amps going in there. Zero. Still got 9 amps there. 1 amp there. Going to look at Solar Assistant. And basically what it's done is, since that battery wasn't fully charged, it is, and there's sunlight out, then you heard the noise ramp up. That is the all-in-one, the MPPT, kicking in. So now we're bringing in a little over 1,300 watts to charge that battery. This is primarily, you'll see the jump in the blue line right there. That's basically when I turn the computer and the lights and everything on. So it was idling at what, about 86, and then we've jumped up to about 600 to 700 watts with everything on. But we're still charging more than that because that battery, it's got some room in it. So we'll keep an eye on this. I don't know why it's the percentage, the SOC is jumping around. I mean, it shows 97, but then it goes red. I don't know what that's about. It is trying to balance. I don't see any alarms. And this is a JK version 15 BMS. But we'll keep an eye on it and see what's going on.